Check it out, guys. War 2's. Excuse me, it's raining. Is here, boys.
मैं शपथ लेता हूँ
मैं शपथ लेता हूँ.
कि मैं अपना नाम, अपनी पहचान,
Ooh, look at this guy. He looks awesome.
अपना घर परिवार सब त्याग कर एक साया बन जाऊंगा.
Whoa, look at that shot. क्या लो भाई साहब. He looks insane, man. कौन सी shape में आ गया भाई इसका? And actually, you know, the VFX sort of looks all right. I know a lot of people were saying things about it, but it looks okay.
एक गुमनाम बेनाम अनजान साया.
Wow.
मैं शपथ लेता हूँ.
So this is
मैं वो सब
NTR.
करूंगा जो कोई और नहीं कर सकता.
What is up with his body here? मतलब क्या? Why is he not like looking completely ripped here? Like Ramcharan in RRR was looking like insane. I don't know why they have done
जो
this on
जंग
purpose.
कोई नहीं लड़
I know he looks completely in shape, but still.
सकता, वो मैं लड़ूंगा.
ये तो ऐसा लग रहा था that was the same set as Pathan's opening, but maybe I'm wrong. You know, there's something off
हर
about.
दोस्त हर साथी हर उस चेहरे से मुंह मोड़ लूंगा.
So in that shot, I don't know why, but it looks sort of strange. I don't know why this shot is looking bizarre. Does it not? Like, it looks weird.
से कभी प्यार किया
Oh,
और
okay.
पलट कर कभी पीछे नहीं देखूंगा.
I think that this film is looking pretty okay actually to watch.
अच्छाई बुराई सही गलत पाप पुण्य की हर लकीर को मिटा दूंगा.
Whoa, check it out.
मैं वो बलिदान दूं.
Also, they have referenced here Tiger Shroff. This is not also my first time watching this trailer. I'm watching this the second time, but within a couple of minutes, having seen it once, एक ही बार देख करके reaction देना सही
ना
नहीं.
जिसका कोई गवाह नहीं होगा.
I wonder if Tiger Shroff will be brought back in this film somehow. क्योंकि कोई logic की ज़रूरत है नहीं, किसी ना किसी तरीके से ला सकते हैं if they want. Hrithik Roshan looks amazing in most of these shots.
जिसकी कीमत मैं अपनी जान से या
So
फिर
that's Ashutosh.
अपनी आत्मा से
उनके
चुकाऊंगा.
character को भी यहाँ पे.
अब मैं इंसान
Wow, so Kiara ने भी कुछ action shots दिए, but the thing is like, is that really her or is that a stunt double? Who knows?
नहीं, सिर्फ एक हथियार हूँ. जंग का हथियार. या तो मारूंगा या फिर
Whoa.
मरूंगा.
Actually क्या है ना कि कई लोग मजाक उड़ा रहे हैं फिल्म का जो VFX है वो उतना अच्छा नहीं है, but it looks okay. It looks okay.
सर्विस बिफोर सेल्फ.
It does look sort of the sequences are looking very staged, however, but it looks alright. It does not look bad.
इंडिया फर्स्ट. इंडिया फर्स्ट.
तो कई लोग बोल रहे थे कि यार NTR को शायद फिर से पाकिस्तानी का रोल देंगे and all that stuff, but that's not the case. It seems like they're both saying India first. So I wonder what the dynamic is going to be then between both of them. So to me, like, these are the shots that are looking like the straight out of a Mountain Dew ad. I'm not complaining, however, maybe on the big screen. The thing about VFX is that on the big screen, it looks all right. So, but when you're watching it at home, then it's a different story. Wow, that shot looked all right. You know, I've played so many video games since I was a kid, तो मुझे ना बस उन्हीं games के scenes याद आने लगते हैं. Uncharted, Just Cause, all that. So it seems like all three of them are going to be going against each other to some extent. Like in the first film, Vani Kapoor was not an agent or anything. So he looks quite intense and he's looking kind of chill. I wonder how they've positioned both of them. Because I know that a lot of NTR fans are not happy with NTR's positioning in this film. But it seems like here they've given them both sort of equal roles because they've both got similar levels of action sequences. I wonder what if like they're gonna keep working against each other and then in the climax they start working together because there is a dance number as well that we've heard about. So अगर साथ में डांस करेंगे तो साथ में काम तो करेंगे. I think that makes sense. Okay.
He's a soldier.
Check it out, man. He looks awesome. And so does he. Both of them look pretty good.
And this is war.
Oh, this is like the first trailer, how they did that. Oh no, so they didn't do the logo there. Aditya Chopra is having a great year. He's banking that money. Alright, okay. You know what? I could watch that in the theater. I think I would go and watch that in the theater with my mother. At least I think even once. Once तो एक बार तो बनता है यार, इतना तो देख सकते हैं हम. Experiencing it in IMAX. I did watch the IMAX teaser. It did not look like it's true IMAX. I think एक बड़ा बस कैमरा का स्कोप है, वही उसको बढ़ा दिया थोड़ा सा. Did not look true IMAX to me, but I might be wrong. But the aspect ratio was not IMAX. But this looks alright actually. I would watch it once. I think I would definitely watch it once.